Step 1. Place the PCB board on the platform and fix it. Step 2. Select the desoldering board and click Start. Machine is working. Step 3. Perform fully automatic visual alignment. Step 4. BGA starts heating. Heating. Step 4. Remove BGA. Step 6. Place BGA in the temporary material storage area. Step 7. Automatically align the soldering head for desoldering the desoldering. Desoldering completed. Desoldering effect picture. Step 8. OK material is placed in the desoldering area. Step 9. Automatically select the mounting mode and click the Start button. Step 10. Automatically absorb BGA material. Step 11. Automatic dipping flux. Step 12. BGA automatic identification and calibration. Step 13. BGA automatic alignment welding. Welding in progress. Welding completed.